Welcome MKCL learners. In this video guide, we will learn how to install MKCL Era on your local machine for learning MSCIT online. Before we start with the installation process, let us look at the minimum requirement configuration for MSCIT online. Should have 4 GB minimum RAM and 2 GB free RAM before Era launch. You should have Windows 7 or higher operating system with active internet connection. Make sure there is 20 GB free space on any of the available drive. Now, what if system is not as per the requirement? Then what? Then MKCL Era will not run and you cannot start learning. Therefore, you should take precaution to check the minimum requirement on your system before starting your learning. So now, let's get started with the installation. You should have already downloaded the Era installer from the link provided by your MSCIT center. After downloading the Era installer setup, open the downloaded file available on your desktop or where you have downloaded the file. Now, double click on the downloaded file or perform right click and use Run as Administrator option to start. You have to click on Yes button to start with the installer setup. It will take a few minutes to complete the process. After the installation is complete, learner have to click on Finish button. As soon as the learner click on the Finish button, the MKCL Era will start automatically. Now, MKCL Era will start. Here, you will be able to see two options. First, New User click here button. Second, Proceed to Era button. For all the new learner, select New User click here button. MKCL Era will perform prerequisite system check on your system. Click on Proceed to start MKCL Era. For all new users, a unique activation code will be generated on your window. You have to copy the activation code. Now, we will look at how to generate learner details for new users. Note the 15-digit activation code generated. Copy and send this activation code to your MSCIT center. Your MSCIT center will confirm your admission and provide you details like learning center code, username and password. After we fill all the required details from the center, in MKCL Era, click on Login button. After login, the MKCL Era will take some time to activate the framework. After activation is complete, you need to restart the MKCL Era. Now, open MKCL Era from the desktop icon. Then, enter your login ID in the space provided and select Proceed to Era button. MKCL Era will check for system prerequisite. Click on Proceed. Use your login details. Click on Login button. You will be directed to Learner homepage. With this, the installation process is complete. Happy learning. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please check out the document available on the website. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.